Learn English with Kevin. Vocabulary. Stories. Conversation. Hi everyone. Today we will talk about pet topics. This is a fun and interesting topic. You can use this video to improve your English listening and speaking skills. Okay, let's start talking about dogs.
In Vietnam, many people have dogs. You can see and hear dogs everywhere. When I was younger, my family had many dogs. Some of them were big, and some of them were small. They were all different kinds of dogs. I always liked our big dogs more. They were smart and fun. Our small dogs were cute, but they weren't very smart. All of our dogs loved to play. They wanted to play all day. I like dogs, but now, I don't want to have dogs. If you have dogs, you need to spend a lot of time with them. They need a lot of attention. In Vietnam, people treat their dogs very well. They give them a lot of attention, and they play with them a lot. Some people like cats more than dogs, but I don't. I don't like cats at all. Actually, I'm allergic to cats. So I stay away from them. Many people like cats because they're independent. They don't need a lot of attention like dogs do. So, if you have a cat, it's easy. Also, cats are funny animals. There are many videos of cats doing very funny things. My family never had cats, though. How about you? Do you prefer cats or dogs? In Vietnam, some people like to have small pets, like hamsters or guinea pigs. These animals live in cages, so they're easy pets to have. You just need to have them and clean their cage. I don't think these pets are very fun. They're a little boring in my opinion. But, many people prefer these types of pets. I've never had a hamster or guinea pig before, but I ate a guinea pig when I was in Peru. In some countries, guinea pigs are food, not pets. Other types of pets include birds, bunny rabbits, fish, and reptiles. I have 3 fish when I was younger. 2 of these fish died pretty fast, but one of the fish lived for several years. Fish are boring pets. Though, when I was very young, my family had a gecko. I liked to watch this gecko eat. It ate live crickets and worms. That was a cool pet. In Vietnam, there are many animal shelters. An animal shelter that takes care of animals that don't have owners. Most of these animals are dogs, of course. If you go to an animal shelter, you can adopt these animals if you want. My family adopted several dogs from these animal shelters. Some of these dogs were nice and fun, and some of these dogs were not very nice. My favorite pet was our first dog. She was very smart, and she was beautiful. I played with her and I pet her every day. She lived with us for over 10 years. I miss that dog. If I get a pet in the future, it will be a dog. But, I don't think I want a pet.
Okay, that's today's topic. How do you feel about today's topic? Please leave a comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. See you next topics.